Hello students of class 10, welcome in English class. Today the second book's Footprints Without Feet, chapter 7, The Necklace. Okay, the necklace is the story, very popular story of the false pride of women's. Women's having much more desires, limitless desires, and they have their most precious thing and very loving thing of their jewelry. Okay, so the title of the chapter is The Necklace. Means in this story, here the story of a husband and wife whose name was Matilda. Wife's name was Matilda and her husband's name was Mr. Lois. Okay, Matilda belonged to middle class family but having much more ambitions. She want to live in luxurious way. Okay, मीन्स जैसा कि होता है सभी लोग चाहते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा जीवन जिए, बहुत सारी विलासितापूर्ण चीज़ें हमारे घर में हों और हमारे पास हों। ऐसी ही शौक पालने वाली वो भी थी मैटिल्डा, और मीन्स ऐसी फैमिली में उसकी शादी नहीं हुई थी। शी मैरिड विद ए पेटी क्लर्क whose name was Mr. Lois. Mr. Lois was means middle class family as he was means arguing, and one day he invited in a rich and grandeur family. Invitation he got and he said to his wife for going there both. Then wife had said she have neither proper dress nor jewelry. After that Lois have invested 400 francs. उसने किसी भी तरह से 400 फ्रैंक्स बचाए थे बंदूक खरीदने के लिए, गन खरीदने के लिए. But after requesting of Matilda, he have spent his money for the proper dress, party dress for his woman. Means उसने अपनी वाइफ के लिए प्रॉपर ड्रेस, एक बहुत अच्छी पार्टी ड्रेस खरीदी 400 में. आफ्टर दैट द प्रॉब्लम केम, मीन्स शी हैव नो ज्वेलरी. ज्वेलरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है औरतों के लिए, जैसा आप लोग जानते हैं. तो ज्वेलरी के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है. उसने क्या किया, अपनी ओल्ड फ्रेंड फ्रैंटियर से, जो बहुत ही रिच फैमिली से बिलोंग करती थी, उससे उसने नेकलेस उधार मंगवा लिया. और उसने सोचा कि ये बहुत ही रिच फैमिली की है तो डायमंड का है ये नेकलेस. फिर वो नेकलेस लेकर के पार्टी में पहन के जाती है. शी वॉज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल, नाइस एंड अट्रैक्टिव. एवरीवन बिकम अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड हर एंड शी हैड एंजॉयड दैट पार्टी होल नाइट till 4 AM and her husband was waiting in another room. After finishing the party, when returning time they were coming, then she had noticed on her neck and necklace was not around the neck of Matilda. Then she becomes shocked and become much more trouble, and she had returned back her husband for searching the necklace. Means it's either on way or anywhere anyone have taken, but her husband also not got that necklace there. Then they have means went there and written that report in their police station, but nothing happened. They had not get that necklace anyhow. मीन्स इसके बाद उनका जीवन एकदम बदल जाता है उस नेकलेस की वजह से. दोनों जो है बहुत ही परेशान होते हैं और सेम लुकिंग नेकलेस परचेस करते हैं. कितने में? 36,000 फ्रैंक्स में. 36,000 फ्रैंक्स बहुत बड़ी कीमत होती है मिडिल क्लास फैमिली वालों के लिए. देन लॉयस हैव स्पेंड ऑल हिज प्रॉपर्टी in 18,000 francs, and 18,000 francs he had taken loan for the purchasing the necklace. And after that they have returned back that necklace to their friend, and their lifestyle become changed. They had changed their room, their house. They had taken very cheaper rent house, and they have also removed their servants, everything, and his wife become very troublesome, milady, and doing all the domestic chores all over the day. Okay, in this way, both have started their saving penny to penny, franc to franc, and after 10 years, they had repaid that loan with high rate of interest. Understood? Means after that, their lifestyle means becomes so troublesome, and when they have returned back, pay the loan, then they felt relaxed. And one day, Matilda met to Frontier in market. एक दिन वो अपनी फ्रेंड से मिली, उसी ओल्ड फ्रेंड से मार्केट में मिली, दोनों ने डिस्कस किया. Then Matilda had told story about it. Why she was looking not pretty, because she had lost her charm and beauty. She become very weak and thin lady. In this way, Frontier have asked the reason. Then she had replied, means whatever your necklace I had taken that been lost, and I had means being debt, and so my condition become as. Then Frontier have told that necklace was not means real diamond necklace, that was false necklace, and that was the means costly of 500 francs. मीन्स वो केवल 500 फ्रैंक्स का नेकलेस था, वो रियल डायमंड का नहीं था. तब जा करके उसने बताया जब पूरा जीवन उनका दुख में बीत गया. ओके, इन दिस वे मीन्स ड्यू टू दैट नेकलेस देयर लाइफ स्टाइल बिकम सो ट्रबलसम. सो मीन्स द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दिस स्टोरी इज दैट nowadays modern girls and women should change their thoughts and views. They should not become fond of jewelries. They should not go to false appearance and these type of showness. Means झूठा दिखावा नहीं करना चाहिए. Don't be maintained as the proud way. Means whatever your actual condition, you should live as. Okay, don't borrow the things for show. Okay, means we have to live according to situation, according to condition of our house and economical condition. We should not borrow money for false expenditure and showness. Okay, इसके बाद जो है उनका जीवन पूरा बदल गया. और तब क्या, जब पूरा समय बीत गया, पूरा जीवन जो है उनका दुख में बीता. ओके, तो so life become as unbearable due to the false pride of that woman. Okay, and the necklace, this story becomes so popular. So I means suggest to all students, don't go on false pride. We should live in actual condition. Okay, thanks.